But first, an advocacy group is suing the city of Wasco over an ordinance restricting sex offenders.
They say it violates offenders' constitutional rights. 23 ABC's Tim Callahan is in the Live Center tonight. Tim?
Todd, good evening. The ordinance adopted by the city of Wasco in 2007 restricts any sex offenders from being within 300 feet of a public or private location, including the public libraries, schools, parks, bus stops, and child care centers. An attorney, Janice Bellucci, who filed the lawsuit on behalf of a group called California Reform Sex Offender Laws, says it goes too far. The lawsuit filed in federal court asks to strike down the city ordinance. Bellucci told me on the phone today she says registrants have the right to access a library. She also says the ordinance is too broad and violates their constitutional rights. She says the ordinance doesn't separate a violent offender versus a non-violent offender. By the way, there are about 105,000 registered sex offenders living in the state, and the ordinance encompasses all sex offenders, not just Wasco residents. According to the Megan's Law website, there are 15 registered sex offenders living in Wasco. Bellucci says they have filed a handful of lawsuits in other counties and plan to file more in our county. Jackie?